Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and this will be pretty small short video here. But have you ever go shopping and stuff falls all over your truck bed, like all the way in, then you get home, you have to climb in to get it out? I had that, so I bought this net here, and let me tell you first, it's a brand. It's called LLTTLTMM. That's the silliest name I've ever heard. And I bought this off Amazon because it was cheap, of course. It cost, I think, maximum 30 bucks. Yeah, and it's supposed to fit any truck bed. So you can use it for longer truck, wider beds, or for shorter beds. Like this is not a small truck, it's an F-150, but still I had to do the shorter one, and then you have to attach it somewhere. So that was the first problem. There are not enough hooks in here, so how in the world would I attach it in the middle? Especially with that camper shell on there. So I used this here, these Ford hooks, to put it on, and these on the bottom. And so when I put the tailgate up, there's enough room here to put small items in, and they won't slide back and forth. So I think it will help. Also, when you have a bigger load, you can attach that on the load, and then you can use these straps here and attach those straps on the hooks somewhere so that your load won't shift out of your truck bed. So that's a good idea. This comes with it, 4 straps. Now that is this plastic. Not sure if I can trust that, but I can use different straps. This seems to be pretty solid, pretty good. And also these hooks here, they are made of a good quality, feel heavy too. And it comes in this little bag here, see? A little tiny weird bag, and I think it comes from China, but who knows. Yeah, that's it. So LLTTLTMM is the brand. Look it up on Amazon. Man, I don't promote it or anything, it's just something I bought and I thought I would share it. At the same time, what do you use for your truck? Do you have any better ideas to do this? Let me know. So let me know, I would like to know. This is one of my future projects, to sand all of this and put some bed liner coating on it. So stay tuned for that. It will come maybe sometime this winter. I pull the truck into the garage and I'll do that. As for now, I'll put my straps in this little bag and put the bag under the seat to take it, and I hope this helps with like shopping and put grocery bags or little boxes in here. I wish there would be a hook down there, but there is not, so I have to deal with what I got. So it's just how it is in life, okay? Alright guys, I hope you're good. I hope you enjoyed this. I wish you a wonderful day, and please subscribe and come back to my channel.